Hey, what's up everybody? So let's talk about null pointers, but first we'll need to know what a null value is. A null value is a special value that means that something has no value. When a pointer is holding a null value, that means that pointer is not pointing to anything. That's what we would call a null pointer. There is a keyword that represents that, nullptr. PTR meaning pointer. It's a keyword that represents a null pointer literal. One of the reasons that we use null pointers is that they're helpful when determining if an address was successfully assigned to a pointer. If we create a pointer, but don't assign it a value, we don't know where it's pointing to. It would be good practice that that pointer doesn't point anywhere. So let's create a null pointer. I'll create a pointer of the int data type. We use the dereference operator. Pointer. If I'm not going to assign this pointer an address right away, it would be good practice to assign this pointer nullptr, null pointer. Later on in your program, if you need to assign an address, let's say int x equals 123, I would just take my pointer, set this equal to the address of my variable. If you dereference a null pointer, it can lead to undefined behavior. Or if you dereference a pointer that's not assigned a value, well, that can lead to undefined behavior too. What some programmers do is that they'll check to see if their pointer is a null pointer before continuing, kind of like a system of checks and balances. We assigned our pointer the address of x. I would like to check to see if my pointer contains a valid address before dereferencing it. So we could say pointer equals null pointer. Was my pointer assigned an address, or is it still a null pointer? If my pointer is still a null pointer, that means we did not successfully assign an address to my pointer. There may be situations, such as when working with dynamic memory, where you attempt to assign an address to your pointer and it fails. This would be a good way to check to see if that failed or not, if your pointer still remains a null pointer. So let's say address was not assigned. Else, standard output, address was assigned. So let's run this. Currently our pointer is pointing to the address of x. Address was assigned. Now if for some reason we did not assign an address, I'll turn this line into a comment to represent that, well, our pointer is still going to be a null pointer. Address was not assigned. If your pointer is still a null pointer, it's not safe to dereference that pointer. If I need access to the value that's at that pointer, it would be safe to do so within this else statement. Standard output, dereference operator, pointer. So my pointer contains the number 123. If I were to dereference this null pointer, that would lead to undefined behavior. I have no idea what's going to happen. Don't try this at home, kids.
What the fuck?
A null pointer is a keyword that represents a null pointer literal. When declaring a pointer, it's good practice that our pointer is pointing to a valid address or this null pointer keyword, because otherwise we don't know where it's pointing originally. They're helpful when determining if an address was successfully assigned to a pointer. When using pointers, be careful that your code isn't dereferencing a null pointer or pointing to any free memory that we're not using, because that can lead to undefined behavior. So yeah, everybody, those are null pointers in C++.